Alright guys, so we're here at the collection suites and there are literally hundreds of cars here. Oh, okay, I didn't count them, but there are tens of cars here. There you go, that's probably a little more accurate. But let's head over to the front and see what's going on. Yeah, I decided to park out back because, you know, I didn't really want to wait in this whole line for parking, and to be honest, I don't really care about showing off my cars anyway, so it's not a big deal. Alright, we got a blank Vanquish over here. Very nice. GT350. Flat black Turbo S. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is the collection suites. So, this is some other warehouse. I don't know what these guys do. All right, here's the party. That's so cool, all the flat black buildings. And here we got a few dozen Lambos. All kinds of cool stuff. I think there's probably a bit more on the other side of this building, but yeah, let's check this place out. Let's see what's going down. All right, so here's the first suite we're going to be checking out. So the collection suites is sort of a car storage facility. Everything is really premium and upscale. So typically, if you have a lot of cars, you can't really keep them all at home. You might, want to have like some kind of warehouse for storing them. And to be honest, if you have like a regular warehouse, it's kind of boring. It doesn't really seem like a good place for storing your cars. So why not store it in something like this? So here's Jan Life's BMW M5. And look at this, you got this beautiful spiral staircase, you got paintings on the walls. The owner of this particular unit is right over there. And looks like he's decked it out in some nice paintings on the walls. So you can pretty much put whatever you want in here. So let's hop over and check out what some of the other units have. All right, check this one out. So this is the hood from a Pagani Zonda painted with Batman. Look at that. Classic Alfa Romeo GTV. So you got a 355 or a 348. I think it's 348. Classic Austin Healey. And a beautiful Countach. Oh man. I mean, I've seen a lot of Shelby Cobras, but I've never seen one that's all chrome. Look at that. Cobra Le Mans. This is pretty cool. Oh wow, check out this Mini Cooper. Little 4-cylinder engine. It's pretty cool. So, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but I do see a sticker here that says Paul Smith. London, Paris, New York, Tokyo. So I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, but yeah, it looks... Oh man, this steering wheel is... It's almost mounted like it's on a bus. Look at that. I'm sure this makes for an awkward driving position. But I do like, oh look at that, even the seats are colored. Oh, nifty. This is pretty badass. They're like luxury warehouses for storing your exotic cars and stuff. So you don't have to store them in like some regular boring concrete block warehouse, Oh man, we got some food here, we got some steak. I don't know what that is, looks like a stuffed pepper. Coleslaw, we'll toss that in the trash, potatoes, and this is awesome. All right, what do we have in here? We have paintings of some Riverside Pebbles and Lamborghini Huracan Performante. And a model. We got a model. Look at that. Oh, looks like they're doing a kind of a photo shoot here. Hey, what's up, man? All right, let's pop into this suite. Got a classic gas pump here. White Countach. And see, this is an SL 300 convertible. Let's see. Am I right? Of course I'm right. 190 SL. Okay, whatever, same thing. 190 SL Roadster. Look at that, painted dash. Beautiful leather. And hey, what do you know? We got a Ferrari V8 coffee table. I think this is the F136. Oh no, this is the V8 from a 348. So V8, 4,000 per cylinder. Look at that. All right, so I was just like kind of walking around. I noticed that there's an entire other lane. There's another side that's completely open that people aren't really checking out. So I'm gonna hop over here and oh damn, there's some cool shit here. This is actually this is the Carbon Vanquish, right?
It is exactly the Carbon Black Edition.
All right, Carbon Black Edition Vanquish. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, this is cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, rev it up. got a 911 Targa 4S. I can read. Hey, it's Brenda. See you, Brenda. Good. I'll see you girls later.
Bye.
See you later. Bye. Look at this R8. So now that we're over here, let's take a closer look at this car. Man. That sounds mean. So he's got the side blade, half black, half red. Big carbon fiber wing. Bolted to the chassis. Okay. Very nice. Probably a bit more reversible than bolting it directly to the trunk lid or something, which is actually all one piece with the glass, so I imagine it's kind of expensive. But over here, red Aventador. Got a Corvette ZR1. Already wrapped up. Strauss Forge wheels. Let's see. Some more nice stuff. A couple Mercedes. You got the De Tomaso Pantera. All right, we got the SSC Ultimate Aero heading out. (1,287 horsepower) rolling away. Alright guys, so the event is over here. Most of the cars have kind of cleared out. There's just a few cars left. So I'm going to be heading over to Wynwood right now. So I'm going to end this video here, and I'll continue the next video over at Art Basel. So I know there's a couple of parties. There's another party at Supercar Rooms, so I'll be checking that out. They're having like a rat rod kind of thing going on. And yeah, we'll see what we find. So catch you guys later. Bye.